Hey Jim, my name is Janice Miller, and in this video I'm going to show you 3 things that you can do today to help bring in more customers to your business. You might be asking why making this video for business owners. We already found a while ago that a lot of small business owners spending all their time taking care of their customers, and they really do not have time to learn how internet can benefit them and bring more customers. Sometimes the only hesitation they have to hiring someone, they don't know who is an expert and who is not. I have found by giving people an easy free templates of actual things they can do to impact their business for free has resulted in some of those local business owners still asking me, "Oh Janice, I would like you to take care of this for me." So if by the end of this video you like what you heard and you can see that I have a lot of tricks up my sleeve that can help your business with, shoot me a message back and we can chat. Or if at the end of this video, you simply want to use it by your own, by all means, that's okay. This is free education. So now let me show you 3 things that will set your company above your competition is content, backlinks, and citation. As I see your website here, it looks so great. And there's a call number here directly. But you do not have enough content, because in Google like to see at least 1500 words to 2000 words, and also depend on your competition too. Google like information, so your content need the right keywords which able to be searched in Google when people looking for your service at your area. And as I see for your photos here, you need to put in the right keywords too. So it's highly recommended to put in the right keywords for all your photos, so they're able to be searched in Google for your website. I'm using this keyword to search, which is plumbing in Virginia Beach, VA. So this is the Google guarantee. So how to be in this top 3 here in Google guarantee is if you have more budget, you can consider to be in this top 3 here, because Google like to see spending money. So one of the key factors to be shown up here is to make sure you answer the phone. Essentially, Google gets money and bills you when you answer the phone. For those companies who don't answer their phone, you are gonna get dropped. So not only because Google don't get charged you on the leads, it's happened because sometimes people don't answer the phone and call the leads back, and so Google will not get credit for that. So there's a kind of people to closing it. So if you don't answer your phone, you got a ding of it and drop it. Really make sure that to be in here, must answer the phone. Otherwise, we'll get penalized and it will be really hard to get going with it to actually do anything. So really important to answer the phone here. So this is Google Map Pack that we call it as a citation. So a citation is anywhere your business name, number, and address are shown exactly as per your Google business profile. Citations help you to rank in this map pack here, which is extremely important for local business since these can generate huge amounts of revenue, especially when you are on top 1 here. So you need to include as many directories as possible, like Yelp, NG, Expertise, BBB, and hundreds of others that you may have heard of. Social media accounts are great too. The idea is that your brand begins to be found by Google all over the internet. The larger your online presence is, the more Google trusts you. Once Google sees you more often than these competitors, the more likely it is to rank you above them. So the next thing I would like to talk about is organic listing. You have to be on top 3 here, and I see that you are top 3. You are doing a great job. And of course, to be on top 3 do not include the directories website. So I'm using this program named RF here. This is your website of a simple analytic here. So UR is the power of your site in Google. DR is your trust of your site in Google. So both of these numbers here have to be in between at least 30 to 40. It will be considered as a strong site. So you have to boost the number here so that Google will trust you more. And as for your backlinks, you have 1300 backlinks, and your roofing domains is 279. Because some are spammy and some are more authoritative links, so you need to go after more relative backlinks, which give you more authoritative that will send power to your site. A backlink is anywhere you find one website linking to another via clickable or hyperlink text. These links act like endorsement of your website from others, which Google uses to build trust in your business by seeing others vouching for you. It's literally like a popularity contest where the person with the most wins people pointing at them. However, not all links are created equal, so it's worth nothing relevant to your industry and local website will work best. As for your keywords, you have 1300 and your monthly traffic is 2300. So once you get these to boost up, you will get more traffic. And also the keywords, you need to put in the right keywords too, because those are the potential client that will be searching for the keywords, which is the service they are looking for, and the area which is around them. Actually, you're putting most of the right keywords here. So just to show you that the keywords and the volume search per month, 200 search per month just for these keywords here. And this is the position of the keywords. So if you are going to target on other location or any other area, you have to put in the right keywords and to choose the high volume search and also the position of the keywords. So once your content, backlink, and citations come together and you start to outgrow your competitors, here's what you might be looking at and why this is so worth it. So these are a few important things that you need to do on your website to increase more traffic and get more business in. Please do leave me some feedback on this video. If you have any question, you may reach out back to me. Thank you. Have a great day.